Hi everyone, welcome to 1901. This particular section, I am your teacher, Gary Whitby, and I'm looking forward to working with you this term. Every week I'm going to be posting a video to help you to navigate through the week and what we are doing that week. These videos hopefully will be posted by Sunday midnight so that you'll be able to see them and prep for the coming week. This week in particular is a little bit late because of some enrollment problems that we had with some of you. We will try to be a little bit flexible on the due dates for the assignments because of that. These videos will always be posted in the announcement or the news bulletin area of your Carmen pages. You can look for them there every week. Make sure that you look and watch the Introduction to Carmen video on the home page so that you can familiarize yourself with Carmen. Every week you should be able to find these announcements and these videos in this news bulletin area of your home page of Carmen, or else in the announcements menu over here on the left hand side. I will be leaving this Introduction to Carmen video on the front home page so that you can familiarize yourself with Carmen. All of the announcements will be in the YouTube format or the Youku format for access. These videos will be available by Sunday night every week. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the Carmen format and all of the announcements, the modules, the discussions, the grades. People and your classmates are located here on the left-hand side. And if we have any conferences or collaborations or chatting, those are also available there as well. Right now, there seems to be a problem with accessing your material via these links on the side, and we will try to fix that as soon as possible. So if you click week 1 here in the home page, you will most likely get a message like this that says unauthorized. It appears you don't have permission. That's not true. You do have permission. So make sure that you go back to the home page, and for the time being you can access these things via the modules link on the left hand side of your screen. If I click modules, you should be able to see the introduction module with all of the course syllabi and syllabus and things like that. Then you have week 1, and these are the things that you should be able to access later with those other links. Week 1, overview and schedule, is where we would start, and here are your readings and videos and assignments and everything that you need for week 1. In the week 1 overview and schedule, you can see that we're doing several things this week. You have your readings, you have videos to watch, and you have assignments to do. Down here at the schedule, I'm going to explain briefly what you're going to be required to do this week. Make sure that you post your profile picture by Wednesday night. We'll be flexible on the time because of the lateness of these postings and the videos and whatnot, but try to post that as soon as possible. You can see that your readings are due, hopefully, and this is to schedule you, by Wednesday night, and make sure that you read both of those readings. The videos, you have 6 videos, that's quite a few to watch, but they're short and interesting, and make sure that you look at those as well. You have until Thursday night to view those. Then we want you to create and submit an intro video of yourself. A very simple thing, and look at the assignment on that. I've already done mine, so take a look at mine in the discussion area. You can comment on that too if you want, but I want you to post your link there by Friday night. And your video should be about 2-3 minutes at most in length, and you can post that link there in the discussion board from either a Youku version or a YouTube version. I've done both to show you, and so that we can all see a little bit about you and get to know more about our class. Then every week you're going to have a discussion board post. This is from the readings, and there's a particular question you need to answer, and you can see this is due by Friday night. The reason for that, it's due by Friday night, is because you need to respond to your peer, and you will be put in groups for this by Sunday night. So you'll need to read their post and respond to it by Sunday midnight. One more assignment, actually two more assignments, but this assignment is to create and submit a personal profile draft to the Dropbox by Sunday night. I will be reading that and commenting on that later so that you can revise it. This is not the final version. Then for all of your assignments, at the end of the week, you can see it says set up su.osu.edu site. What this is, it's very simple, but read the directions on that. But it is a portfolio page, a series of web pages, a web page, for you to showcase your final work on each of the assignments that we are doing, and for others to be able to see it around the university. Your classmates will also be looking at this, teachers will be looking at this, and making comments in addition on these web pages to the work that you post there. So make sure that you set up your u.osu.edu site and activate it by Sunday night. If you have any questions about any of these things, let me know, either via email or the discussion board area right here where it says pinned discussions, where it says questions about the course. If you post your question here, others can also look at your question and might have the same question, and the answers would benefit all. Okay? And that's about it for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions, and you can write something in the discussion area for questions that might be important for everybody, or email me at whitby.4@osu.edu. Have a great week.